Hey, good morning, class. I just wanted to give you a tutorial and an example on what I want you to do for homework this week. And I want you to share with me how you are organizing your personal files at home now that we've gone to an online school method. So here's how I've organized mine. I'm using Google Drive, and I'm using Google Drive because the whole Santa Barbara Unified School District does, and it makes it very easy for me to share and import stuff. And I have three folders, one for each of my classes that I am using. And what I've done is I've named them each with a bunch of zeros and then one, zeros two, zeros three. This is because the zeros and the one represent one, which is first period, two, second period, third period. And I put a bunch of zeros in the front because no matter what shared with me in Google Drive, those three files will always be at the top. So no matter what else shows up, I know that because of they sort it by alphabet and zero comes first, so I'll always have those at the very top. And then inside each folder, I've organized them this way. I've done it by unit and then stuff that we're going to use all the time. So for example, course documents is stuff that I'm going to be using all unit long. I have my agenda, formatting, template, Zoom signups, and then normal vocabulary sheets, like a template. And then for each unit, I have a unit organized with assignments, materials, and the unit plan. Assignments have individual things that I'm assigning to students. Materials have all my lectures and kind of my notes that I'm sending out to the students. And then unit plan is a week by week look at what that's going to be doing. And I have it this way is because I've kind of organized it this way all the time, and I know exactly where everything goes. So even though it's an online school platform, I basically organized it the way I would even if it wasn't. So that's my organizational method. I hope to see yours too.